Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're going to be doing a little after dark clean with me, and this is just going to be a quick little video for some quick motivation. Not every cleaning video needs to be, like an hour long and just like full of like cleaning top to bottom. This is just kind of going to be cleaning up throughout the day, just putting away some stuff that I had left out. We did a little bit of grocery shopping. We had a friend come over last night, so he and my boyfriend were having some beers and just everyday cleaning. So it's not going to be a super long video, but there is quite a bit of motivation here. So this was after supper. Of course, this is an after dark clean with me. This was after my son went to bed, and I'm just cleaning up everything from the kitchen from supper and just getting everything all put away. We had a bunch of stuff just out on the counter. So just really getting everything to its home. And that is always the hardest thing that I find, is that I tend to be naturally a very messy person, which I know you wouldn't think that because I have a cleaning channel on YouTube, but naturally, it does not come naturally to me. I am very messy. So throughout the day, I put things everywhere, and all of a sudden at the end of the day, I look around and I'm like, my house was clean yesterday. How did this happen? How is all this stuff everywhere? It's because I'm not really mindful during the day. That's the hardest part, is that throughout the day, I'm just like putting stuff wherever, and then I have to go through at the end and clean it all up. So that's something that I need to work on for sure. But I guess it does make for some good content at least. And no after dark cleaning routine would be complete without the lighting of the candle. And this one is also from Bath & Body Works in the scent Hot Cocoa and Cream. And this is the first time I've ever gotten like a hot chocolate kind of scent. I've always kind of steered away from it, even though I typically love scents that are like dessert flavors. And I love chocolate so much, but something about it, whenever I smelt it, I was always kind of like, I don't know if I really like that too much. But I decided to try it this time, and I actually really like it. It's definitely not as strong when you're burning it, so it's just, I don't know, it smells so good. So I lit that candle, and now we are moving on into the living room, where I just had a quick little tidy. We had spent part of the evening over at my boyfriend's family, so there wasn't that many toys out, thank goodness, because sometimes this living room can take forever to clean. Like all of those bins at the bottom of my bookshelves, my son has this tendency to just like dump them all. Like he just thinks it's funny to just dump them all. So sometimes it can take forever to clean up, and it drives me insane. So now we're just going to go through and get the vacuuming finished and then move on into the bedroom. And I know you guys are thinking, what are you doing making your bed at night? This is an after dark clean with me and you're making your bed? Yes. So if you have not seen this before or heard this before on my channel, my boyfriend works crazy hours. He works for the railroad, and a lot of times he ends up having to sleep during the day. So it can be very difficult for me to make my bed every day, but I'm trying to actually make my bed every day, because I feel like once you get into a made bed, you just have a much better sleep. And so I am trying, no matter what time he rolls out of bed, to find my way in there at some point and make the bed. So at this point, it was, I think, like 8:30 at night, and I'm making the bed knowing I'm going to get into it in a couple hours. But still, at least I still made the bed. And my cat, like, she does not care. She is not scared of anything, and she just could not care less that I'm making this bed. She's just over it. She's like, whatever, Mom, like, make it around me. I'm not moving. And that's pretty much her. So next, I'm going to actually be going through my laundry. I have a huge pile of laundry here. And rather than taking all of it down into my laundry room and sorting it there, I'm just going to sort it here right now and then take it down load by load, if that makes sense.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in.
All right, you guys, so we are nearing the end of this video. Like I said, I just wanted to give you a quick little motivation just to kind of, if you just need to go through your house really quickly and just tidy everything up and you just want a little bit of motivation to get you going there, this was your video. So let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this. And I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.